you can see today the weather looks fine, but if you look down, you can see that it's raining. This is how Dhaka city looks like when it rains. Everyone in Dhaka is wearing raincoats and things like this. Usually in every country they do like this, and most of the houses' clothes are kept in, but some of the houses' clothes are outside because they're covered somehow. And look, this place looks really empty when it rains. In some countries it's really busy when it rains. So Dhaka city is kind of a great city. Yeah, it is a little bad. No, it's like, and if you know if you know French, then I'm going to say a word, and if you don't know, then okay. Comme si, comme ka, Dhaka. It means Dhaka isn't bad nor bad nor good. So folks, bye bye.